It's a really big basement. This covers the entire home. This is the size of the entire home, and this is the foundation. But we got a washer and dryer down here, just like the homes you see in the movies. If you want to sleep next to your work, this would be the place. And right next to here, we have a little hangout area. It's sloped here. The ceiling is sloped, and there's a little window. So cool little reading cove. Hello, 안녕하세요. Today we got a really interesting home. This home was built in 1925, but it was refurbished and updated in 1980. And it looks really tall. The exterior, you can tell that it has that really old styling. One of the first houses to be built in the It's just so unique. I actually like this home a lot. Let's take a look inside. You can see that the surrounding neighborhood is really nice. Let's take a look at this unique home. You got a little, I would say kind of like a mini breezeway coming into the home, which is really cool here. So shoe rack, and they have some mail here for the previous owner. But the previous owners look to have changed this or turned this into an Airbnb. So everything is furnished right now. This is the living room that the front door, as soon as you open, it opens up into the living room. Nice updated fireplace, and you can see that everything around here is pretty updated. Probably the floor needs to be redone. It's a little bit creaky, but other than that, everything else looks great. Let's go ahead and take a look back here. This portion of the house will be a dining room, and at least the back patio or the backyard. And here is the kitchen. I kind of like how they sectioned it off a little bit. This kitchen is its own room pretty much. It has the dining room back there, and then this kitchen. Great space to do whatever you need to do, and it has all the modern amenities that are needed. And fridge is tucked away back here, which is really neat. Right next to the kitchen is a little coffee room. From the dining room, formal dining room, let's go ahead and take a look into the backyard. Got the door open. And really interesting backyard. Got a little space down there and a gazebo. And it doesn't look like there's any seating in there, but you can always add seating. It's pretty simple. Little gazebo, and it's kind of tucked away in this area. Really nice and peaceful. Let's go from the living room. Before we head upstairs, I do want to take a right here. Here's a little tucked away hallway with a half restroom. And then down here we have the basement. But it's a really big basement. This covers the entire home. This is the size of the entire home, and this is the foundation. But we got a washer and dryer down here, just like the homes you see in the movies. The washer and dryer in the basement, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. Let's take a look upstairs. I know I said earlier that the floors probably need to be renovated, but I actually like it. It adds to that style of that 1925 home. I know some people would probably want to update the floor a little bit, but keeping it as is would be great as well, since this home is so unique. At the top of the stairs, this opens up into the full restroom with a soak-in tub as well, and a shower. One of the classic styles of the bath and shower. This is the first bedroom here. And these are the door handles for every closet. It's so interesting. Look at that. It's just a little, I don't know what to call that, but antique handle. And then, sorry about that. And then here's the closet with the window. Every bedroom is unique as well, so I can see why the previous owners turned this into an Airbnb. There's a linen closet here with that antique candle as well. Second bedroom here, and I did want to highlight this back here. Here's a little nook, and that's actually the front window to the home. Welcome to the third bedroom, and this bedroom doesn't have a closet, so they added a wardrobe, which is really nice here. And a lot of windows though, I like that. And let's continue down this hallway. In the middle of this hallway, it leads to another hallway, and this leads to the third story, but I want to walk out here first. And a little finished patio, and this overlooks the entire backyard. And you get the view of the hills of South Eugene. Really awesome. And watch your head there. Here is the third and final story of the home. This is the main foundation pillar. We saw this actually in the basement, which is really cool. This goes all the way throughout the entire house, all the way down this brick foundation. And this upstairs is all finished. You see that they added another bedroom up here, which is awesome. Has all the amenities, heating and cooling. And there's also over here an office space as well. So if you want to sleep next to your work, this would be the place. And right next to here we have a little hangout area. It's sloped here. The ceiling is sloped. There's a little window. So a cool little reading cove. Yeah, 구독, 좋아요 해주세요. I feel like I'm getting worse. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We really like this home. It's really unique. They obviously turned it into an Airbnb, the previous owners. And you could do the same with this home, or you could keep it as a multi-generational home as well. Personally, I probably wouldn't rip up the flooring just because it adds to that unique rustic style of the home, and just keep it as long as it lasts. But otherwise, this home is updated and renovated, and with that old styling, they kept the interior modern as well. So they did a good job of contemplating both. So thank you, and God bless.